parking damage, hit and runs, and rear-end bumps are exactly where a good front and rear dash cam earns its place. So here's the ranking from the weakest pick to the strongest one, with a clear look at what each model actually does well. At number 5, we have the Botslab G980H. And look, this one is interesting because it does something most others here do not. It records front, rear, left, and right. So if you care about overall coverage around the car, this is the model that immediately stands out. In everyday use, that means you are not only watching what happens in front and behind you, but also what happens on the sides. Think about parking lots, narrow streets, or someone brushing past your door. The touchscreen, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and included storage also make it feel like a complete package, especially for the price. But here's the catch. The rear and side cameras are only 1080p, so license plates are not always easy to read unless the car is close. Compared with the stronger models in this ranking, the image quality simply does not feel as sharp. And the driver assistance features are useful on paper, but not the main reason to buy it. This one is best for drivers who want wide coverage more than top video quality. If your car is often parked in busy areas and you want to see more angles, it makes sense. But if you want cleaner front and rear detail, the next models start to pull ahead. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. At number 4, we have the Vantrue Nexus 4S. This one feels more focused than the Botslab. Instead of trying to cover every side of the car, it gives you front, cabin, and rear recording, which is especially useful if you drive rideshare, carry passengers, or just want more evidence inside the vehicle. What I like here is the sensor setup. All 3 cameras use Sony Starvis 2 sensors, and that matters most at night or in tricky lighting. You also get HDR, built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and a waterproof rear camera. So the whole system feels practical and flexible. But exactly here, there is one point you should know. This is not a true 4K system. The front camera records at high resolution, and the rear is stronger than many basic dash cams, but compared with the top 3, it does not have the same sharp front and rear detail. Also, parking mode still needs a hardwire kit, so installation is not completely simple. For me, this is a good choice if you want cabin coverage and strong low-light recording without going straight to the most expensive models. But if your main focus is front and rear parking protection, the next camera feels more advanced. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if this comparison is helping you. At number 3, we have the BlackVue DR970X-2 CHLTE+2. This one is all about connected features. If you want a dash cam that can send alerts, support remote viewing, and work with cloud features through built-in LTE, this is where BlackVue becomes very attractive. In real life, that can be useful when your car is parked somewhere away from home. You can get alerts, check what is happening, and use remote features without adding a separate LTE module. The front camera records in 4K, it has built-in GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a clean screenless design that sits discreetly on the windshield. But there is a problem. The rear camera is only full HD, and in a comparison about front and rear dash cams, that matters. Against the 70mm with dual 4K recording or the Thinkware with a 2K rear camera and radar parking mode, the rear video quality feels like the weak point. You also need a SIM card and a data plan to get the most out of it. This is the one I would consider if remote access is more important than having the sharpest rear camera. It feels made for people who want cloud features and parked car alerts. But if you care more about raw front and rear detail, the next model is stronger. At number 2, we have the 70mm 4K T800 Premium set with the RC41 rear camera. And this is where the ranking gets really serious. On paper, this is the sharpest front and rear setup here, because it records in 4K from both the front and the rear. That difference can matter a lot. Imagine checking footage after a rear-end bump or someone reversing into your car. More resolution can mean more detail, and more detail can make the footage more useful. You also get an interior camera, GPS, Wi-Fi, app control, a screen, and Sony Starvis 2 sensors on the front and rear cameras. But it is not perfect. The interior camera is only 1080p high, and parking mode needs extra power hardware. Also, while the video specs are excellent, the parking protection is not as advanced as the radar-based system on the top model. So, yes, the picture quality is very strong, but parking surveillance is not only about resolution. If your priority is the clearest front and rear video, this is probably the most exciting choice in the list. It is especially good if you want 4K in both directions and also want cabin recording. But if parking protection is your top priority, the number one model still has the edge. And at number 1, we have the Thinkware U3000 PRO. For this topic, it takes the top spot because it is not just about sharp video. It combines strong front and rear recording with one of the most complete parking mode systems in this group. The front camera records in 4K, the rear camera records in 2K, and both use Sony Starvis 2 sensors. In daily driving, that means strong detail during the day and better performance when the lighting gets difficult. But the real highlight is parking protection. The radar parking surveillance can detect movement before impact, which is a big deal if you want the camera to watch the car while you are away. Now, it still has limits. It is expensive, there is no built-in screen, and to use parking mode properly, you need hardwiring or OBD2 power. LTE features also require extra hardware. So this is not the simplest plug-and-play choice, and it is not the cheapest one either. But if you want the strongest overall front and rear dash cam for 2026, especially with serious parking protection, this is the one I would put at the top. The 70Mi has sharper rear resolution, and BlackVue has built-in LTE. But the Thinkware feels like the best all-around choice for parked car security and everyday evidence. Check the links in the description to see the top products from this review and compare the current deals. And if this helped you choose the right dash cam, like the video and subscribe to the channel.